This tutorial is showing you how to register your device as a POS. Tillex runs on Windows. You can have it on as many devices as you like. If you've got more than one touch screen, put it on those. You can have it on your tablet, your laptop, your phone, your desktop. We'll even give it a go on your old epos from the 20th century. Yeah, back in the day when your parents looked like this, most epos suppliers were building their empires. And we believe that today, 40 years later, you should not be told what POS device to use. You can run it on your fridge if it runs Windows. So we decided to put it on our kitchen TV. As long as it runs an up-to-date version of Windows, you can get Chrome or Safari, then we can go ahead with it. The best experience is on an iArmor touchscreen, but watch the video on hardware for our recommended kits that we've been testing on. I'm sure you wouldn't like anyone telling you what phone to buy, so we don't assume we can tell you what hardware to buy, but we will let you know what we test on. Right then, let's get started. For this demo, I'm going to use a platform that's being built. It's not finished, and I need to register my desktop as a POS to be used by me only. The rest of the team are registering their own devices around the country. So on the device you've decided to use, go to your platform, your online store, and sign in. For security purposes, never share your login details or password. And also decide how many people are going to use this device as a till. If it's just going to be yourself, then fine. If you're going to have members of your team, make sure they've got their own account. Best practice is to get them to do it themselves. Go to the front and sign in or create an account if they don't have one. Please don't do it for them. And once they've got an account on your platform, you go into the Partner Centre, click on Users, Groups and Accounts and make sure that they have the role that means they can use the POS. So that is orders and bookings. That's all the staff signed up on your website. Now let's go back to the device that you're going to use as a till, in my case, the desktop. The next bit's really easy. You need to be back at the front of your store on the website. Everybody signs in at the front. Make sure you're on the device you're using as a till, remember. Simply go to your name in the top right-hand corner and click on epos. You'll be presented with a form to fill in. Do not reconnect to an existing terminal unless you absolutely have to. For example, a broken machine that's been fixed, because if you connect to a terminal and you use someone else's terminal, then you'll be reporting as them, and that's silly. And give it a sensible name, because you may have members of staff with the same phone if you're going to register a phone as a POS. Here in the Smokin Donut head office, we keep a numbered list of all the devices, which makes sense. And if you're going to have more than one person using this device, put in place fast operator switching. You can see that on the epos playlist, and it means that each operator is given a PIN number and then they can use this device and it simply times out and they put their number in so you know which operator is using this terminal. Form filled in, and you've not restricted it to an IP address unless you don't want that device to work anywhere else, and click Register Terminal. Then open your terminal, put a float in, I'll put £50 in, and it really is that easy. Don't forget to close your terminal every day, then it can do the accounting. So that's how to register a device. There's another tutorial on what all the features in the POS do, how to handle face-to-face sales and over-the-phone bookings and process orders, but I'm not going to do that here. We're simply registering a device. Now we're going to go back to the administrator dashboard in the Partner Centre and have a look at all the devices that are registered. This platform's got 3 devices registered. I'll just highlight mine there. Watch the tutorial on epos configuration. Today I'm just showing you how to register a device as an epos. Hope that helps. Bye.